trying to pull some of that land out of production and restore those lands to minimize the erosion, so you don't have the sediment coming down into the marsh. And also in terms of the other farming, we try to keep the sediment and any kind of chemicals on the hillside, not getting down in the marsh. We try to work with farmers to improve their practice so that using minimized use of pesticides, so trying to use alternative pest control techniques, as well as minimizing the nutrients. If you have excess nutrients, your nitrates and phosphates used as fertilizers, they get down the slough, it can cause excessive algal blooms, and you get what's called eutrophication. Everybody familiar with the term eutrophication? What happens with eutrophication?
Everything dies.
So basically, you see a lot in closed lake systems or relatively closed systems. You also see it here in estuary. You get a little more flushing here with tides, so it's not quite as extreme. Especially when you get too many nutrients coming into an aquatic system like this, you fertilize the algae. You get this incredible growth in algal blooms. Then those algae eventually die and decay. I mentioned the decay process, the decomposition that's happening in the backwater. As that decay happens, you have bacteria involved in that decay that starts to use up the oxygen. And as they use up the oxygen, the water will actually go anoxic. So organisms in the water will either die off, they have to move somewhere else, find oxygen, or they have to adapt to those kinds of changes. So if you have excess nutrients, you see those kinds of die off. There's a problem to a greater degree, especially in lakes. An example of an organism that's adapted to these kinds of changes, so in terms of an aquatic organism that lives in the estuary that has to deal with these kinds of changes, there's a fish that we'll be pulling in some crab traps today. I haven't seen any recently, but we might get a chance to see. Small fish, about 7-8 inches long, lives in the mud flats here, lives in estuary, and it's very specifically adapted to the kind of dynamics of this kind of estuary. We talked about the tides coming in and out. We talked about salinity changes, so that the tides can push the water in. You get these hypersaline conditions I mentioned before. And so you have these back pools where it gets high temperatures during the day, the sun beating down, high salinity, and then they can go anoxic because of the algal blooms, and they start to decay, and the oxygen gets used up by the bacteria. So there's a fish called the long-jaw mudsucker.